This is the 23rd century, where sophisticated technology has created an automated world of wonders. It is a world where machines control, while people enjoy. The 23rd century, it is filled with beauty and the vitality of youth. Life has been designed to make every day a carefree holiday.
Hey, Logan, I've been looking all over the arcade for you. We're having a party, right? Here, brought one for you. Watch out, that's the kicker. Oh, mine's a screamer. Let's straight up. Logan, give me my screamer back.
Every vanity can be satisfied, instantly, painlessly.
What will it be? Face job? Full body job?
Just the face.
Pay attention, Sandman. I'm proud of this machine.
In the 23rd century, pleasure is the way of life. Undreamed of diversions have been devised to fulfill even the most extravagant fantasies. But in the 23rd century, life lasts 30 years. Not one day less, not one day more. When the crystal in the palm of your hand flashes its final message, your time is up.
We're celebrating his next in line. Carousel, arcade, who knows? Want to come along?
Not unless I make it to the top. The big spin.
30 already? I always thought I was older than you.
Why think about it? You'll renew. After Carousel tonight, you'll be starting all over again.
But if I don't, they say that flame out's the ultimate thrill.
Flame Out, the ultimate thrill, is celebrated at Carousel. Life will be renewed if you can reach the rainbow ring in a ceremony that is the supreme experience. But there are a few who refuse to obey the rules. Rebels who run in search of sanctuary. And when they run, a Sandman hunts them down. Logan is a Sandman, bred and trained to destroy those malcontents who run.
But you don't know. You just assume. One for one. What everyone's been taught to believe. One for one.
Well, why not? That's exactly how everything works. One flame out, one renewal. One is terminated, one is born. Simple, logical, perfect. You have a better system?
No. But at least I wonder about it sometimes. Well, not like you with your automatic one-for-one routine. You know, you sound like a sleep teacher with a stuck tape.
Logan, leave it alone. It's perfect. You know, Logan, you wonder a lot. Too much for a Sandman.
Logan, a Sandman who dares to become a runner himself.
Look, I don't have much time.
I never heard of a Sandman running, ever.
And I never heard of sanctuary. Tell me, what must I do to make you believe me?
Logan and the girl who loves him become the hunted when they set off on Logan's Run, an extraordinary adventure through the 23rd century. Their search for sanctuary leads them to an abandoned wasteland where hordes of young terrorists run wild.
Looks like we've got a runner and his para. And look who decided to run.
The subterranean caverns of ice, a glittering gallery of death.
Overwhelming, am I not?
The diabolical keeper of the caverns is Box. Half man, half machine, all evil. The decaying labyrinth of an ancient water system conceals a lethal trap.
Logan!
What is it?
Whatever it is, it's war.
It must be outside.
The outside. Awesome and terrifying to people who have never seen the sun or felt the wind. But the relentless pursuer, once a friend, now a deadly enemy, is a more present danger. A mystifying monument rises from the ruins of a forgotten civilization.
What do you suppose happened to all the people?
Well, they must have left here a long time ago. That must be one of them.
And they looked almost like us.
I've never seen a face like that before. That must be the look of being old.
They discover the last of the outsiders, the only person over 30 left on Earth.
Who are you?
Oh, yeah.
This is sanctuary, isn't it?
Sanctuary?
You thought I wouldn't find you, didn't you? You thought I'd quit, huh? What did you do to him? You know what he was? He was a Sandman. He was happy. You killed him.
Francis.
Logan, look. Look at your palm. The crystal. It's clear. What does it mean?
The life clocks have no power outside. We're free.
Don't go in there!
Listen to him!
IGF puts the future in the palm of your hand. A world beyond imagination until now. The 23rd century will be here sooner than you think.